Hey heathens, it's Gundidi, and I wanted to do a quick update video. You guys saw my last video where I kind of dogged on the CSX for that triple reset that was going on. Well, a lot of people told me that that was just a flaw with that pistol, that I should send it back to Smith&Wesson. Well, it wasn't my gun, so I couldn't really send it back to Smith&Wesson. But I did get another one in, and I wanted to see if the same issue occurred with a brand new CSX. So let's go ahead and check out that trigger and see if it was a flaw with that specific one, or if there is a underlying design issue. So, of course, we're checking if it's empty. Let's go ahead and check that trigger. We got a nice take up to a firm wall, clean break. Let's go ahead and see that reset. Now, let's listen for that reset. Just one click, not 3 clicks like the last one. So definitely a huge improvement. I don't know if that was a feature that they fixed, or if just my one that I had last was a flaw. I would assume that just the one I had last was a flaw, because this guy is probably in the same batch or around the same batch as that previous one. So I'd assume that just the last one was a flaw. But trigger definitely feels better on this guy. I would definitely say before you order one, get it in your hands and feel it. Make sure that it doesn't have that trigger issue. If yours has that trigger issue, send it out to Smith&Wesson, get it fixed. Smith&Wesson will fix it and get you all set up. Smith&Wesson did contact me after that last video, just so you guys are aware, to have that pistol fixed. But like I said, it was not my pistol. I did refer it to the person who did buy that pistol, that Smith&Wesson will fix it. And he said he will go that route if he decides. So just so you're aware, Smith&Wesson did reach out to me and said they would fix the issue. So definitely an improvement, and definitely something that makes this E-Series a little bit more desirable, in my opinion. Guys, as always, I'm Gundidi, and I'll see you heathens for the next one.